In this video, I'm going to unbox and review a budget quality phone stand from Binks. And hey, if you're new to this channel, I do videos on headphones, speakers, smartphones and computer accessories. If you're into these stuffs, click on that subscribe button and let's dive into the video. I purchased this phone stand for $5 and by the time I am uploading this video, I found a new model of this phone stand. I'll leave it in the description down below. First, let's have a look around the package and continue to the unboxing. Talking about the sides of the phone stand, there is a unique design with electroplated process. On the below part of the headphone, you can see the Binks branding logo with silicone on the bottom. This adjustable phone stand is compatible with phones and tablets also, in sizes range from 3.5 to 11 inches. This stand is adjustable from 0 to 100 degrees. Now I'm going to show you guys some previews with my Android device and my tablet. When I keep my Android device on landscape mode, this is how this phone stand holds my device. This is a preview of my phone stand holding my tablet device. While using my Android device or tab with this phone stand, I usually never feel any type of uncomfortableness, so that's a plus point from me. Now let's have a look around the phone stand while it holds my tablet device. Y'all can see when I'm giving some force with my fingers to the phone stand, the silicone is holding the phone stand with grip. If you have any questions, you can leave it in the comment section down below. If you think you have knowledge that can benefit others, please share it in the comment section down below. And don't forget to click on that subscribe button.